blizzard of '09. Well, I'm here in northern Connecticut. We didn't see no blizzard. We got a big old 4 inches. And look right here. Big old 4 inches. Wow, what a blizzard. They even called off work for today. They didn't want the vehicles on the road. Isn't that great? Well, at least it's going to be white for Christmas. But this was no blizzard. If you guys got any blizzard pictures or movies, send them in. I'd like to see them. We can start a little story here. I'm in northern Connecticut. I heard Rhode Island got something. I know there's a guy out there. I got his name right by now, but send a video. We'll do a response to this. Northern Connecticut, near Springfield. Didn't get nothing. 4 inches. What a waste. Wasn't even worth doing a snowblower movie. Showing that 24 in action because it wasn't even working. It was just putting along. Nice, light and fluffy. No, you're nothing. No, you're not even working. I did a neighbor's driveway over there. They didn't use a tank of gas because it didn't work hard at all. Well, they're saying for Christmas Day we'll have to get some more, but we'll see. But this was a waste. Alright guys, thanks for the update. Thanks for watching. Stay warm. Send your videos in. We're definitely interested. Thanks.